Hello everyone, welcome back to brand new adventurous ride. Today we are at Australia's peaceful reservoir named Yarra Valley. The path was centered and straightforward with natural vibes filling the scene with enormous natural glory and humidifying surrounding. There were some places to sit and enjoy morning breakfast with your family. Also had natural ground sitting in which you can sit on cool grass and enjoy the view spot of River's Reservoir. I felt the presence very positive and made my day full of excitement and peace. The wind felt like it came from heaven, and the rattling water show was making each moment heartful and enjoyable. The reservoir itself is framed by steep forested slopes that reflect perfectly on the still surface of the water. A mirror image that changes with every shift of light and cloud. In the early morning, mists drifts lazily across the valley, wrapping the trees in a silver veil, while in the evening, golden sunlight filters through the branches and paints the hills in warm tones. The atmosphere did feel so good and very positive, and the wind was making the scene even more good. There was also a way you can go down and have a close look to the reservoir, but I chose not to do so, because it was too dangerous by the way. From my research, I found that the Upper Yarra Reservoir was constructed between 1952 and 1957 by the Melbourne and Metropolitan Board of Works to increase Melbourne's water storage capacity and control flooding. The dam, completed in 1957 and located in Yarra Ranges, was the highest dam of its type in the Southern Hemisphere at the time of its construction. It features a central earth-filled core and remains one of Australia's most significant water storage assets, with water transferred to the Sylvan Reservoir for distribution to the city. The Upper Yarra Valley is a mountain region known for its significant contribution to Melbourne's freshwater supply. Its forested landscapes and its cultural significance to traditional owners. Once home to Victoria's first vineyards in 1838, the area is now a reunited climate wine growing region and a popular destination for outdoor recreation, including bushwalking and visiting the mountain Tunabuana Rainforest Gallery. The region features forested mountains terrain, including areas like the Dandenong Ranges Natural Park and the significant native vegetation, making it vital for safeguarding water quality. The area was historically part of the Shire of Upper Yarra, a large administrative region encompassing the headwaters of the Yarra River. The Upper Yarra Valley is a popular tourism destination, drawing visitors to its wineries, scenic drives, and its natural attractions.